respected principal, dean, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, grade 3 will present the assembly, and our theme is Save Water, Save Electricity, Save Earth. Caring for water is caring for us all. We start with a short skit on how we all need to be responsible. Save water and not waste it. Friends, drip, drop, drip, drop. This kind of clock must be stopped. It's time to care, for the water is rare. Water and electricity are necessary for our survival. So let us take an oath to save both.
Scene 1. Jasmine has invited some of her friends for sleepover. The friends arrive and are super excited.
Thanks for inviting us, Jasmine. We are super excited. I'm so happy you all could make it. We all are gonna have a fabulous time together.
Scene 2. The children are getting ready. They have plans to visit the nearby golf course with their parents. Ayushi has left the wash basin tap open and is lazily brushing teeth. Jasmine hears the continuous sound of running water and calls out to Ayushi.
Ayushi, please close the tap when you don't need water.
We should not waste water. It is precious. You should always shut off the water when you aren't using it.
But how will I brush my teeth without water? You don't need to keep the water running all the while. Once you're done brushing, you can open the tap to rinse your mouth. I'm so worried. There's water everywhere. In oceans, lakes, wells, ponds, streams, and even when it rains, Well, you're right. But not all the water is safe for us to drink. We can only use 1% of the water on the planet, even though it makes up 70% of the total volume.
Oh, that is not very much at all.
That is why we should be smart about how we use it.
Yes, it's always smart to save water. Imagine a day without water.
Oh no! Absolutely no water! That's scary. It is very important to save water. It's everyone's responsibility to use water judiciously.
What are the different ways to save water?
We can save water by not wasting water while taking a shower and by sweeping up our dirt instead of using a hose.
And if we find a tap that is dripping, we should call the plumber to fix it. Dripping wastes a lot of water.
And also, using a bucket to clean the car instead of using a hose.
That's right.
When we help Mom do the laundry, we can make sure that we wash full instead of washing a few clothes at a time.
That's a great idea, Tina.
Wow, I had no clue. There were so many ways to save water.
Water saved today will lead to a better tomorrow.
Yes, save water, save earth.
Kids, let's start. Remember to close all the taps and switch off lights and fans. Put on your sport shoes. We are walking to the golf course. No car for short distances. Save energy, save water, save the earth.
Energy misused cannot be excused.
Energy production isn't an alternative, it's the main choice.
Energy serves you the way you have the right to be dealt with.
When you decline to reuse, it is the earth you misuse.
Take care of earth, take care of earth. We all have to work together. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. We all have to work together. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Plant a tree. Conserve water. Thank you.
Water is a bone. Water is life. Without any water, nothing will survive. We need water and earth needs too. Don't waste it. We can't make a mistake. We must save water for everyone's sake. Thank you.